EPF pension case. Supreme Court reserves judgment on appeals of EPFO. The Supreme Court on Thursday reserved judgment on the appeals filed by Employees Provident Fund Organization challenging the Kerala, Rajasthan and Delhi High Court judgment which had quashed the Employees Pension Scheme 2014. A three-judge bench comprising Justice Uday, Umesh Lalit, Anirudh Bose and Sudhanshu Dhulia reserved judgment after 6 days of hearing. In 2018, the Kerala High Court, while setting aside the Employees Pension Scheme 2014, allowed paying pension in proportion to the salary above the threshold limit of Rs 50,000 per month. The High Court also held that there can be no cut-off date for joining the pension scheme. In 2019, the Supreme Court had dismissed the special leave pension filed by EPFO against the Kerala High Court judgment. Later, in review sought by the EPFO and the Union Government, the dismissal of a SLP was recalled and the matter was reopened for hearing on merits. In August 2021, a two-judge bench of the Supreme Court had referred the appeal to a three-judge bench to consider the following issue: whether there would be a cut-off date under paragraph 11(3) of the Employees Pension Scheme, and whether the decision in R.C. Gupta v. Regional Provident Fund Commissioner would be the governing principle on the basis of which all these matters must be disposed. The main argument raised by the EPFO is that the pension fund and the provident fund are distinct and the membership in the latter will not automatically translate into a membership of the former. It was argued that pension scheme is intended for low-age employees, and if the person drawing salaries above the cut-off limit are allowed to draw pension as well, it will create huge imbalance within the fund. The 2014 amendments were brought to address the issue of the cross-subsidization between the pension and provident fund. The pensioners disputed the argument of financial burden raised by the EPFO. It was argued by them that the corpus fund remains intact, that the payment have been made from the interest. The pensioners also disputed the argument of the EPFO that there has to be separate option exercised within the cut-off period to join the pension scheme, and contended that the stand of the EPFO is contrary to the situation.